So this is a Juki lk1920. Last three digits on the serial number is 95. That looks like a 5. We're sewing a 1.5 by 1.5 Velcro, and this is what we call bottom loading, where the Velcro is going to go face down, the fabric's going to go on the top, and the clamp will come down and sew. So here the Velcro, there's the loop of the Velcro, so that's going face down into the piece, and the clamp comes down, and you sew. And the advantage to that is this part that's seen, it's clean on the top, and any loop stitching on the bottom where the thread trimmer is gets hidden inside the Velcro. Sew one more. Okay. So in continuing, this is the next operation. So we've got a 1.5 by 1 piece of Velcro, same type of bottom loading. Okay. And you're all set.